Climate change refers to long-term shifts in Earth's climate patterns, especially the rise in global average temperatures primarily caused by human activities. The earliest recorded evidence of climate fluctuations dates back to around 8,000 years ago, when ancient civilizations in Mesopotamia and Egypt first documented changes in temperature and precipitation patterns. However, it wasn't until the late 19th century that scientists began to recognize the significant impact of human activities on the environment, particularly with the discovery of carbon dioxide's role in the greenhouse effect. The rapid increase in global average temperatures over the last century is largely driven by human actions, especially burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial and agricultural activities, which release large amounts of carbon dioxide, methane, and other greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to global warming and broader climate disruptions. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching, with rising sea levels, more frequent and intense heat waves, storms, floods and droughts, ocean acidification, ecosystem disruption, threats to biodiversity, food security, and human health, as well as economic and social challenges for vulnerable communities. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, global greenhouse gas emissions need to be reduced by 45% by 2030 and reach net zero by 2050 to limit warming to 1.5 degrees C above pre-industrial level. The IPCC also projects that if left unchecked, climate change could lead to up to 3.2 degrees C of warming by 2100, resulting in catastrophic consequences for ecosystems, human societies, and economies. To mitigate these effects, AI-informed optimization strategies can be employed, such as optimizing energy consumption, developing more efficient renewable energy sources, and implementing carbon capture and storage technology. Additionally, climate-resilient infrastructure development, sustainable land use practices, and education and awareness programs can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adapt to the impacts of climate change. By understanding the causes, consequences, and effects of climate change, we can work towards developing effective strategies for reducing emissions and promoting a more sustainable future.